I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Extend brand, their shake powder. It's high protein nutritional drink for meal replacement. Helps you with blood sugar management. It's keto friendly, low sugar, low carb, but yet it's full of protein with 10 grams. And this is a delicious creamy vanilla. As soon as I open up the package, I can smell this amazing creamy vanilla flavor. There's 15 servings in this package. What's really unique is this Extend Nutrition formula was distinguished by 17 international patents, and the product gets excellent customer ratings. So what's great about a product like this is that it has a very low glycemic index, which is how your body absorbs it. And for about a period of about 9 hours, your blood sugar won't be spiking. And this is good for anybody. And this is a delicious vanilla flavor. They have the nutrition information on there, and you can see how much fat, really low in fat, extremely low in sodium, only 12 grams of carbohydrate for a serving. The serving size is 2 scoops. We're going to actually try it. So I recommend you go to the listing because it talks about how this works with your blood sugar and how exceptional this works for you. Now, I've used this product before and it works for me, and I think you should give it a try because it gets really good ratings. A lot of people have used this. There's no aspartame or any weird ingredients in here, so you know it's all natural. And they actually show you right here all the ingredients. If you want to go through and read that, again, go to the listing. So it had a seal on here, and let's just open this up and take a look at what it looks like, the package. Boy, I wish you could smell this vanilla. So let's open this up. So there's the powder. And it's very fine, and that's what allows it to mix quite easily. Now there's a scoop inside there, and we're going to put 2 scoops in a shaker. If you don't have one of these shakers, I highly recommend them, and I'll have a link for them. And they allow you to use this effectively by really shaking it really rapidly. And they have a little stainless steel ball in them that allows the shake to blend quite easily. You can also add some milk to this if you want to make it even creamier tasting. And here it is mixed up. This is 1 serving or 2 scoops, about 8 ounces of liquid you get. And you see the color? It's kind of a vanilla color to it, and it just smells amazing. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's very delicious. It has a very smooth texture to it, and really large amount of vanilla flavor. And it has the perfect balance of sweetness to it. It's really delicious. So I'm impressed with the quality control of this company. The ingredients on here I looked at. I'm impressed with the ingredients. I can see why it got patents. This does work for blood sugar control. I've tested it on myself, and I highly recommend this product. So I'm going to give Extend brand shake powder high protein nutritional drink meal replacement to help you with your blood sugar management. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.